Is there a such thing of a no-lie, no saponified, all-natural soap? I've always heard that there is no such thing as a soap made absolutely with no lie. Well, today I'm going to show you a soap slash shampoo slash conditioner that has all the benefits you need for beautiful young skin and healthy, shiny hair. A 100% all-natural organic soap that will clean, moisturize, and condition your skin and hair. Let me introduce to you Mukorossi Soapnuts, or you can call them Soapberries. These amazing Soapberries carry special properties that are needed to maintain young, healthy skin. What are exactly soap nuts? Soap nuts are actually the dried shells or husks from the Sapindus Mukorossi tree, a unique species of trees found in both the eastern and western hemispheres, but native to the tropical conditions of India and Nepal. Even though they are called nuts, they are actually dried berries, making them a safe option for people with nut allergies. Because they are so gentle, soap nuts are a great option for those who have sensitive skin, eczema, or psoriasis. Soap nuts can prevent dry skin because they are a natural moisturizer. Using them as a face cleanser can brighten your complexion and even your skin tone. Using soap nuts as a body wash will cool and cleanse your skin without causing any damage. This all-natural soap can also fight acne and other skin diseases. What are some of the benefits of Soapberries for the hair? Well, it's a natural cleanser. The soapy texture of the soap nut helps your hair have a clean wash along with absorbing the enrichment. Over regular use, your hair gets smoother and achieves a long-lasting shine. It imparts vitamins A, D, E, and K to the hair roots, thereby nourishing the scalp and the hair follicles. It contains antimicrobial and insecticide properties. If you have trouble with lice, Soapberries are the best solution with its insecticide properties. It can easily kill the lice without damaging the scalp or the hair. Soapberries are trusted to cure and prevent bacterial infections and dandruff. Soapberries also have a smoothing effect on the hair. It gives a soft and smooth texture to the hair strands and helps tame and dry frizzy hair. It acts as a natural shampoo and conditioner. It helps detangle hair, thereby making your hair ready for any hairstyle. So what are some of the benefits of Soapberries for your skin? Well, it's a natural moisturizer. It keeps the skin hydrated and prevents dryness. It's highly recommended for sensitive skin as it is mild on the skin. But let me forewarn you, it may be mild on the skin, but it will burn your eyes if you get it in your eyes. My eyes turned bright red and it was on fire for an hour, so be forewarned. It is mild for your skin, but will feel like acid to your eyes. This is how you know this soap really works. Not only are they a trustworthy skin product, they improve skin tone and result in glowing skin. It is useful in skincare against psoriasis, blackheads, and pimples. You can use soap nuts on baby skin. It's perfect for a soothing bath if your baby has a diaper rash, or skin infection or sores or bug bites. It is a gentle and mild soap on baby skin, but please keep away from the baby's or child's eyes. If it gets in there, trust me, you will know. So today I decided to make a concentrated lemongrass soapberry soap wash for my daughter and I. We washed both our hair and our bodies with this amazing smelling all-natural lemongrass soapberry soap wash that her and I made together. Do we prefer this over other natural soaps and over organic Castile soaps? Oh, absolutely yes. I can tell a big difference. I normally used Saponified organic all-natural soaps. Plus, I would follow up with all natural, organic body butters I made myself. The Soapberries surprisingly left better results. Plus, my skin was not greasy feeling after all the lotions and all the body butters that I used to keep my skin moisturized. Although surprisingly, after 3 months of using Soapberries, I decided to try my organic Castile soap and just to see the difference, and I did for about a week, and I noticed that I still could feel little just nicks here and there on my skin. And when I used the Soapberries, I noticed that my skin was completely soft. It's almost like I applied a thin lotion, but the thin lotion just soaked and absorbed into my skin. But I did not use any lotion, and my skin is not greasy at all. I mean, it feels completely dry, but yet it's super soft. It's hard to describe because I've never had any kind of soap or anything that made my skin this way. And I don't like applying a lot of lotions and butters. I do not like the greasy feeling. I don't like how my fingers left fingerprints everywhere. You can tell everywhere I went just because of my greasy fingerprints. Even though I did use the Soapnuts for 3 straight months, I have definitely noticed a difference. Like I said, I will tell you some of these things I noticed. I have noticed that any dark marks on my body has definitely lightened or completely disappeared. It made my skin less wrinklier. The surface of my skin is definitely smoother, no doubt. Way less lines on my skin. Obviously, this stuff helps tone the skin as well because it's definitely looks tighter. I also noticed that over anything I've used, I don't care how natural or organic it is, I'm very picky with my skincare. Out of everything I've used, the Soapberries are the best. I've tried a ton of products. I use top-notch premium products, and the Soapberries, there's nothing that can beat it. Yeah, you'll definitely have to try it. Stay on it for a good 2-3 months, and I'm telling you, you'll notice a difference. So today, my daughter and I are going to be making Lemongrass Soapberries Soap Wash. I got 18 organic soapberries here, some lemongrass leaves my stepdaughter brought over from her garden, and 7 cups of distilled water. We'll also need a pot and a strainer and a bowl to make this. To begin, turn your heat up to high. Then go ahead and add your 7 cups of distilled water. Next, you're going to grab all of your soapberries and gently add them to your pot of water. Then I'm going to take my fresh lemongrass leaves and clip off the dried or dead ends. Then I'm going to give my fresh lemongrass leaves a good rinse. Make sure they are nice and clean and free of any debris or dirt. I then took my lemongrass leaves and I clipped them into 1 to 2 inch pieces. As you can tell, the saponins are being released from the soapberries. I'm going to go ahead and just drop my lemongrass leaves in the water. Everything has come to a boil, and now I'm going to reduce the heat to a simmer or to a steep for 30 minutes. Let your soap nut concentrate cool for about an hour. Grab your large bowl and a strainer and strain. Get ready, guys, to see some non-saponified, organic, all-natural soap. So here's the Soapberry concentrate. It is a non-toxic, all-natural, organic soap. I'm going to put my soap nut concentrate into this glass jar. I like to use the glass jar because it has essential oils, of course, the lemongrass, and I don't want that to eat through any plastic, so glass it is. So my daughter is going to pour the soap nuts in, and if you could tell, she kind of wastes some. She wastes it like this stuff grows on trees. So here it is, guys, my all pure natural lemongrass soapberries soap wash, full of anti-aging vitamins from the soapberries, and also let's not forget the many benefits of lemongrass. I am not quite finished yet. I'm going to show you how my daughter and I love using this natural soap. We're going to whip it up. So I took about a full cup of soap nut concentrate here. Pour 1 cup of your soap nut concentrate into a mixing bowl. Make sure I'm plugged in and ready to go. Okay, let me set this down and let's get ready to turn her on. To make this fluffy, you might want to blend it at your highest speed. It literally took me about 2 to 3 minutes for this to whip up. It whips up pretty quick unless you're using essential oils. Essential oils will not make it as quite as fluffy. It'll be more foamy than fluffy. But essential oils do work. Okay, looks like we are done. Check it out. Look how fluffy, look how soapy, look how lathery. This stuff is great, guys, all natural, and it just makes your skin amazingly soft. So here's the Lemongrass Soapberry Soap Nut Wash. You just kind of lather on your body like so, and let the vitamins absorb into your skin, and of course you're going to want to run it through your hair as best as possible, and then you're going to do a rinse off, and that's all you do. So now that you know how to make some lemongrass soapberry soap wash, you should go ahead and buy yourself a bag of soapberries and check it out. You'll find amazing discoveries that you can do with these soapberries. You can use them to clean your house. You can use them as a laundry detergent. You can use them to keep the insects out of your plants. This stuff could be used just for about anything. You just can't eat it. I hope you liked my video. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye!